everyone, and thank you for joining me today for ChiroSecure's Facebook Live presentation. Delighted to have you with me. We've got a lot to cover today and very important information. I know we're all going through the pandemic, and it's not been easy for any of us. But with the help of a little spice of fun, a little bit of happiness, and then we walk through some of the things that are going to be so important for your community to engage in. I'm going to start with today's corporate sponsor. Thank you. ChiroSecure has been so generous, but also please look at these corporate sponsors. That's who's helping us make a huge difference, an impact in the world that we've never seen before. So let's start with looking at everyday opioid awareness. As we go through, we start looking at our optimum awareness and how the chiropractic birthday celebration is having an impact. I just want to share. So just to make sure you saw the 125 years of chiropractic celebration, I want to share some fun facts with you. You can share this in your YouTube videos. You can share it. Maybe you have an e-newsletter that you're sending out, but let's celebrate 125 years of drug-free chiropractic care. Another fun fact is, did you know that in 1979, Chiropractic in New Zealand, the report of the New Zealand Commission of Inquiry into Chiropractic was published. This was the first government commission to adopt a full judicial procedure, hearing evidence on oath and subject to cross-examination when examining patients. This is a big next step for the chiropractic profession. We also noted that in 1988, the World Federation of Chiropractic was formed. So many fun facts that all of us just need to jump into. Remember, today is all about celebrating our birthday box, and we could not be more happy to do something for our community that really showcases that. Here's a little sheet that just shares with you more about the fun facts that are available. The other best part of this particular handout is that it has the latest, greatest research in it that you can also share with your medical community. Maybe there's a physical therapist in the community that you want to share a little bit more about chiropractic, or a physical therapist, a medical physician who's into orthopedist, or a acupuncturist. The more you share, the better we're going to be able to examine and exhibit the benefits of chiropractic care. Now, there's a lot of parents at home right now with little people, and those little people need something to do. Well, what better way than to get them coloring and to share with them the benefits of chiropractic care? So happy birthday, chiropractic. And as you can see, we're looking to enjoy our celebration, even though we're during some very difficult times. If we can just spread a little bit of sunshine and a whole lot of happiness, we're going to do so much better for our community. We have trifold brochures that are celebrating 125 years of chiropractic excellence in your community. One of the things that I think is very important is you, as a thought leader in your community, want to be able to share your clinic and your expertise. No better way to do that than to share some of these important information pieces on your website. Your website or any social media platform that you have allows you to adopt the information that you want your community to know about who you are and what you do in your practice. Speaking of that, let's use your social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, to really get to know more about chiropractic. Here's about 3 of our social media infographics showcasing a little bit about the fun of chiropractic. There's 9 of them, so you could get started today, and by September 18th, you will have shared with the community that you are proud to be a chiropractor celebrating 125 years of growth. And that really makes a lot of buzz, because people need positive information out there in the communities to make them feel like we're getting kind of back to healthcare and not sick care. I want to also share with you, in our birthday box is a very nice way to explore the celebration a little bit deeper and have something that you can hang on to for years to come. That is our commemorative chiropractic coin. You can go to f4cp.org/125 and you can get one of these beautifully crafted coins. On one side, you can actually palpate the spine and the hands. And on the other side, it's showcasing 125 years of chiropractic excellence. This is a special way because in many other professions, they have challenge coins. In fact, one of my patients gave one to me. I felt blessed that they did so. And it was a celebration of their profession. And you could do the same in celebrating. Maybe you know another chiropractor that mentored you. Maybe there's an instructor that you'd love to share this with, state association leaders, or just a friend, a family member, or a colleague that has made a difference in your life. F4CP, your dollars go back to our national funding. So every dollar that comes back into the foundation is going to go back out in national advertising. So feel free to get your coin at f4cp.org/125. Now, I just went through a birthday present box. Isn't it nice for all of us just to open up something that really makes us feel good and happy in these days? And the answer is yes. So if you're a member of the foundation, you have a birthday box waiting for you. How do you get it? You can see there's a line there that really opens it up. It's a click and go, and you found your birthday box ready to go. This is how you get your staff members excited too. Because if you're not passionate about what you're doing, your staff will know. And I know you're passionate because you wouldn't be on this Facebook Live with me right now if you didn't want to celebrate Chiropractic's 125th anniversary. Now, let's go over some updates, fabulous updates from the foundation. One of them being very important, and that's today on Thrive Global. As thought leaders, we need to be able to share with our community more than just, yes, we do chiropractic adjustments, but we really care about their health. And as I said, we're in a pandemic. So one of the ways that we can share with our community is getting on our platforms, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter pages. On Thrive Global today, you can go on our F4CP Facebook site and you will see an article about how to blow off steam today. And what does STEAM stand for? STEAM is an acronym for stretching, strengthening, having a cup of tea, meditation, and mobilization. Isn't that what chiropractic really wants for all of our patients? Be able to enjoy your day by enhancing your health and really having the excitement of being able to ensure that you're not just drilling down into your computer, but that your chiropractor is reminding you on how to blow off some steam. And that's the way that we capture the audience. We give them information that's relevant to them right now. I know personally, behind my screen, 16 hours a day can be really difficult. But as we start to help our audience and our community learn more about what's important, just getting up and moving around or making yourself some tea or learning a little more about meditation, these are all fabulous things that you can do. So get out there and help your community blow off some steam today. Let's talk more about September. As you know, the foundation for the past 4 years has put together Drug-Free Pain Management Awareness Month. This is an outstanding way for us to connect back with our communities and let them know that we do not offer drugs for painkillers, so that we are helping them take care of their health in a natural, holistic way. We want you to submit your September's drug-free proclamation to some of your council members. Is this important and why? Yes, it's important. If you don't believe me, one of the top headlines that's trending right now is on Wall Street Journal. Wall Street Journal title today was State Associations or States are looking for $24.5 billion in restoration for the opioid epidemic. $24 billion in litigation is being had right now. And that's because of the opioid crisis. So we want to still continue the awareness and the opportunity to connect with the community representatives. And a proclamation is a fabulous way to do that. Also, if you want to reach out and bring your proclamation as well as a new ebook. Now, look at this beautiful new ebook. This ebook is an opportunity to open the conversations. It's talking about our effective drug-free first-line approach to pain. Remember, 50 million people during a pandemic are actually creating a world of more sadness and depression that we need to help them with. Those 50 million suffering in chronic pain need to know we care, need to know that we're right there with them, and that trying a non-pharmacological option is right there with you in your practice. These pages will talk a little bit about chiropractic care and, more importantly, how they can find your office. So that ebook should be on your website. I'm hoping that you'll put it out there on a LinkedIn article, or maybe you'll put it onto a e-newsletter that you're sending out to your patients. Don't even be afraid to do a YouTube video, just flipping through the book and talking about chiropractic care. Remember, we're here to help you in marketing. The August monthly roadmap is out, and it's a quick, easy step through. Your front desk and your chiropractic assistant or your office manager should be aware of this roadmap resource, because week by week, moment by moment with you, it's going to give all of the ways to which we can connect with our patients. It happens to be for August, we're focusing on motor vehicle accidents, particularly in the personal injury. We have one infographic that you can see on the other side of the screen that's talking about chiropractic's role in personal injury cases, more specifically, maybe an MVA. We bring this up because we want patients to think of us first when they've been injured, not last, which is how oftentimes, being 25 years in this profession, I see patients that come in years after an injury. So we want them to be fully aware week by week on what we do, especially if they've been in an accident. Now, I want to thank you for being part of the foundation. If you're not, f4cp.org will help you get more information. Don't forget, next week, we have a fantastic opportunity to be back here on the Facebook Live with ChiroSecure to listen to another opportunity and information that they so generously give you week by week. Last but not least, remember, when we get together next time, we will be celebrating 125 years of chiropractic goodness. It is you that makes the difference. It is your messaging to your community that makes us one of the fastest growing healthcare professions in the nation. And I am so proud to call you my colleague, and I'm hoping you'll join me in celebrating September 18th. Happy birthday, chiropractic.